In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to path in Figma. If you've ever needed to fine-tune the shape of a letter, create a custom logo, or share a design without relying on installed fonts, converting text to a path is the way to go. This turns your live text into editable vector shapes so you can sculpt each character precisely. Before we begin, a quick tip. Once you convert text to a path, it's no longer editable as text. You can't change the font, the wording, or the type settings. So it's smart to duplicate your text layer first and keep a copy hidden, just in case you need to make changes later. Start by selecting the text you want to convert on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Make sure you're not actively editing the text. If you see a blinking cursor, press Escape to exit text editing. Now, right-click on the selected text to open the Context menu. This ensures you're applying the conversion to the exact layer you've highlighted, which helps avoid converting the wrong element in a busy layout. From the Context menu, click on Outline Stroke. The moment you do this, Figma converts each character into a vector shape. Behind the scenes, it's replacing the font-based glyphs with paths made of points and curves. This makes your design more portable and consistent across devices because it no longer depends on a specific font being installed. Keep in mind, this is a one-way transformation for that layer, which is why that earlier duplicate is helpful. If you don't see the option, double-check that the text layer is selected and that you've fully exited text editing mode. With the text now outlined, you can sculpt the letters directly. Just double-click on a letter to enter vector edit mode. You'll see anchor points and curve handles appear around the shape. Drag points to adjust the silhouette, tweak handles to refine curves, and nudge segments to sharpen or smooth edges. You can also select and move an entire letter if you need custom spacing. Take your time here. Small, precise adjustments usually look cleaner than big, dramatic changes. If you're making logo-level refinements, zoom in closely to keep edges crisp and curves smooth. When you're satisfied, click outside the shape to exit editing. That's it. You selected your text and right-clicked it, clicked Outline Stroke to convert it to paths, and then double-clicked any letter to adjust its vector points. Save your file, keep that backup text layer handy, and enjoy the freedom to customize your typography exactly how you want.